Hello everyone, been a while, hope you guys are well. So recently I found another great budget aluminum mechanical keyboard in the market that is good for both gaming and typing. It's very much affordable just like the Sugar 65, but this one is a 75% layout. So let's see how good or how bad this keyboard is. So inside the box we got an accent badge. If you want more aesthetics, a manual, a card manual, and a greetings, a small box underneath the keyboard which has a coiled Type-C cable, and that's about it. And now the Aula Leobog Hi75. Let's check it out. So this keyboard weighs around 1.2 kilograms bare bone, so expect it to be around 1.5 kilograms when fully built. It has a unique looking knob which I quite like on the red color, but on the other colors are not so. A flex cut PC plate, and at the bottom we have a nice engraved Astro inspired design, and here we have a magnetic astronaut badge. So you can remove this if you do not like it, of course. And yes, the case is very easy to remove since the screws are located on top. So first things first, it's always a good habit whenever I got a new keyboard, especially a bare bone, I take my time testing everything out first. So here I will be using an Acco CS Piano Pro. These are hand lube, by the way. These are really good on the Sugar 65, and I wanted to know if this will be a good pair on this keyboard too. So I make sure that everything works fine, from LEDs to every key press, of course, using VIA. But this one is not compatible with the software, so please download the official software link in the description. So these are Starry Claw's keycap set. It was sent to me by P. Foxer to test them out. It's like a GMK Miclan keycaps, but I prefer this more than the Miclan. It costs around 69 bucks for a whole set, and you can get it through their website. This, by the way, are OEM profile, 1.1mm PBT material, and it has a side printed shine through, so you can still showcase your RGB bling blings. And without further ado, let us do a stock typing sound test. Okay, so I think the purple lavender sounds much better to me. Let me know in the comments which one do you prefer between those two switches. So it's time to open this keyboard up and we'll see what mods can we do to improve this keyboard. By the way, when you're trying to remove the knob, never do these things. Instead, just grip it tightly and pull it out with the full force. After that, just give it a nice and easy pry using a plastic prier so you can remove it nicely and without a scratch. And everything else will be easy. Just remove a total of 6 screws on top with a standard screwdriver. And there you have it, ladies and gents. This keyboard is quite easy to tear down. So inside, the acoustics looks very similar to the Sugar 65, and I do not recommend removing those anti-static films since this is a metal case keyboard. Just leave that as is for safety reasons. Also, you will find this keyboard's case very pingy, so force break mod is the best mod to use. So these are some samples from TQBF, of which it can be very helpful when padding things up. These are still on the works, so I'll have to wait until the final samples arrive. But meanwhile, I'll do some adjustments for the sake of this video, and please just follow along. Just a quick and useful tip, you should at least use a couple of switches just to hold things together when assembling this keyboard, or before you install the top case, just install all the switches right away. Finally, I would suggest you remove the stock stabilizers for more consistency. These tabs, by the way, are good enough for me, so there's no really need to upgrade them. And there you go. Before I try to end things up, a little bit of touch-up would be nice just to improve the overall aesthetics of this keyboard. I really think this keyboard looks really good for a sub $45 to $60 price point, bare bone. I'd say it's worth the price, and I really love the color combination and overall build of this keyboard. Hope you guys enjoyed the final sound test. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Goodbye.